Indeed Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're reviewing Indeed, one of the most popular job search platforms available. If you're looking for a job or hiring employees, this platform might be a great solution for you. I've added links in the description below for more details, so be sure to check them out. Indeed is designed for job seekers and employers alike. It provides a simple and efficient way to search for jobs, post openings, and connect talent with companies. The platform aggregates job listings from company websites, staffing agencies, and direct employer postings, making it one of the largest job databases available. For job seekers, Indeed's search engine is incredibly intuitive. You can filter results by job title, location, salary range, company, and even remote work options. Users can also upload their resumes to apply quickly, and many employers offer Easy Apply, which speeds up the process. Another helpful feature is Job Alerts, where Indeed notifies you when new opportunities matching your criteria become available. Employers benefit from a straightforward job posting process with both free and paid options. Sponsored job listings increase visibility and attract more applicants. Additionally, Indeed Resume allows recruiters to search through a massive database of resumes to find candidates who match their needs. A standout feature is Company Reviews, where employees leave feedback about their workplace, salary expectations, and interview experiences. This transparency helps job seekers make informed decisions before applying. Indeed also includes skills assessments, which enable job seekers to prove their qualifications and help employers filter applicants efficiently. The platform's mobile app ensures users can search and apply for jobs anytime, making the process even more convenient. Overall, Indeed is a powerful and user-friendly job search platform that benefits both job seekers and employers. It's a go-to solution for anyone looking to navigate the job market efficiently. If you want to get started, check out the links in the description for more details.